Hi everyone, it's Sandy here. So this video will be about my giveaway details and for doing this giveaway for reaching over 6,000 subscribers, and also it is the month of my birthday, which is September. So I wanted to celebrate that as well with you guys. So I'm going to show you all the prizes that you will receive if you are a winner. And then I'll also give you all the details on what you need to do to enter. So in this video, most of the prizes that you will get are mostly my handmade paper projects that I have been showing or have done in my previous videos for my tutorials. So for example, in this pack here, there are some of my blank card spools, some mini file folders, also a flipbook base, and also one of my matchbook style pocket flipbook as well. So these are all just bases in here, and all you need to do is just embellish them, decorate them, add your goodies, and then you can send them off as gifts or in your Happy Mail or whatever you like. So in here are just a lot of the just the base part of the projects that you can use. So you get that in there. You'll also receive a pack of my 6x6 pockets that I have also been doing in my other videos. So there is a few 6x6 pockets in here ready for you to decorate, embellish, and load with all of your packaged goodies. So there's a few of them in there, and I've also decorated all of my packaging with some of my some bag toppers as well. So then you can also reuse the packaging as well. And you'll also get a pack of ephemeras or die cuts that you can also use in your projects. There are a lot of nice stuff in here for you. You also will get some of my some of my paper fans that I had made using my 6x6 paper that you can add to your projects. So you get that. You'll also receive a pack of my altered paperclip fabric yo-yos with some wooden pegs that you can use in your projects as well. There are a pack of paper flowers. These are really nice and they're quite big as well, so you can use them. Also some of my handmade tools, bow tools that I had also shown you in a previous video. So these would be lovely to add to some of your creations. There are also some pack of paper flowers. These are really pretty as well. I put together some 3x3 papers that I had pre-cut for you, and there's quite a few of those in there as well. So there's that. I've also put together a pack of pink tone embellishments in a pack that are ready for you also to add to your projects. What else have I got? There are these cute pre-die cut. I think they've got like a bird with some flowers on a bird cage, and these are really pretty, and you could add these onto your cards or tags or other projects. So there are a few of those. And then I've also got for you, there's quite a few in here for this giveaway, so I hope you do enjoy these goodies if you are the winner. These are some Kaisercraft die cuts, and all you've got to do is just push them out, and then they're ready for you to add to your projects. So there's that. And I've also going to put in here a 6x6 paper stack. This is one of my favorite paper stacks that I have. You get some pretty papers in there. I think you get 2 of each, and you get 2 sheets of stickers in here, and an acetate sheet that you can probably use for some shakers or a window for your packaging. So that you get as well. And finally, oh no, sorry, there is a couple more. There is some sheet of stickers here. These are just embellished stickers, some word stickers, and some more fun stickers here for you to play with as well. And then you will also be given one of my loader pockets using my 6x6 paper that I have shown this in a previous video with a 6x6 paper projects. It's a little loader pocket, and there are some more goodies in here for you to enjoy as well. So that is all the prizes that you will receive if you are the winner of my giveaway. So the details to enter: you will have to be firstly a subscriber of mine. You have to also like this video and give it a thumbs up, and you must leave a comment below to enter as well. So I'm going to give you a fun question for you to add in the comments. So the question will be, if you were to be given a ticket to fly anywhere around the world for 5 days, where would you go? So if you can leave the answer down below in the comment, you will automatically be entered in the draw. Because I will be using the YouTube random comment picker, and they do require you to put a comment down there. So if you can do that, you will be in the draw to win these this massive prize that I've got here together for you. So it is also open internationally, and I will draw out the winner on the 16th of September, which is a Sunday week from today. So if you can, so enter. You've got 1 week to enter, and also you will have a second chance to enter as well if you are a follower of mine on Instagram, because I will also be doing a giveaway on my Instagram as well, which is a similar giveaway to this, but not as much as this, but still you can have a second chance to enter as well there. So I will also leave all the details for that giveaway in a few days time, so just keep a lookout on my Instagram account, and you can also enter there. And lastly, if whoever wins the giveaway on Sunday week, when I draw out the winner, if you do not claim your prize a week from that date, I will redraw another winner. So yes, so I just thought I'd just point that one out as well. So again, good luck everybody. Thank you everyone for those that have subscribed. I do hope whoever wins this giveaway will enjoy all of these lovely prizes that I have put together for you. And I will see you in my next video for more projects. Good luck everybody, and bye for now.